In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify flowchart connectors in Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, for Confluence and Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to change the style, color, thickness, and type of your connectors, apply changes in bulk, and even customize where connectors attach to your shapes. Let's start with the basics. Open your diagram in Draw.io inside Confluence or Jira, and locate any connector line between two shapes. Click once on that connector to select it. When it's selected, you should see small handles appear along the line and at the ends where it connects to shapes. With the connector selected, look to the right-hand side of your screen for the Format panel. If you don't see it, there's usually a small option or tab labeled Format that you can click to open it. This panel is where you'll control the appearance of your connectors. Inside the Format panel, you'll find settings to adjust the style, color, thickness, and type of line. If you want to change the color, choose a new stroke color that matches your diagram's theme or makes key connections stand out. For thickness, increase the line weight if you want a connector to be more prominent, or decrease it for a more subtle look. This is especially useful when you want to visually separate main flows from secondary or optional paths. You can also change the line type. Draw.io lets you switch between straight, curved, and elbow connectors. Straight lines work well for simple, direct relationships. Curved lines can help avoid overlapping other shapes or lines. Elbow connectors, which make right-angle turns, are great for structured flowcharts and grid-based layouts. Try different types to see which one makes your diagram clearest and easiest to read. If you need to apply similar changes to many connectors at once, you don't have to edit them individually. Go to the top menu, open the Edit menu, and choose Select Edges. This command automatically selects all connector lines in your diagram. Once they're selected, any style change you make in the Format panel, like color or thickness, will apply to all of them at the same time. This is a huge time saver when you're standardizing the look of a large diagram. Finally, you can control exactly where connectors attach to a shape. Right-click on a shape and choose Edit Connection Points. This opens a mode where you can add, move, or remove specific connection points around the shape's border. Position these points where connections make the most visual sense. When you're done, your connectors will snap to these custom points, helping keep your diagram clean, organized, and easy to follow.